What's your name? What's your name? Come here. OMG. What do she have on? Her lace front is all. Get the phone. I'm going to take this girl a picture. I'm about to put this girl on. Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too. Boy, bye. Oh, I just want to punch her. I can't. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. A baby boy, and he came with him. Girl, yes. In the middle of the floor, no shoes. In the middle of the floor, no shoes. Okay. Had to get cute today. Everybody did my birthday. Had it. Stop looking retarded. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. A baby boy, and he came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, and I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoe. What's up? Had to get cute today. Everybody but they had to keep it look good. My baby just paid bill. He'll duck his shoes today. New baby need new shoes today. Transport check it today. Got the track yesterday. Amy, ditch the glue today. Gone beef it up. Move. Get out my way. The 15 I got my. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tap. Paid $95 for this with plus tap.